Hi, I'm Tyler Jex. I'm the Customer Service Manager at Browning Safes, and I'm going to show you how to change the code on your Securam electronic lock. To change the code on your Securam electronic lock, you will simply enter your default code. You will then open your safe. You want to lock the safe open to prevent the safe from being locked closed in this process. To change the code, you enter 0 6 times. You then enter the default passcode. You will then enter your new code, your new 6-digit code. For this example, we'll use 000111. We'll enter it 3 times. On the 3rd attempt, you will be able to turn the handle, unlock the safe, and then shut the door. The default password will no longer be in use. The new code is now operational. Thank you for watching. We hope this is helpful information. Please, if you need to reach out to us, email us at helpdesk@browningsafes.com.